Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is my new Netgear Nighthawk X6S tri-band Wi-Fi range extender. Nighthawk are badging it as a mesh extender, so it doesn't function as a traditional extender would, where you'd have a separate SSID for your extender than you would from your home network. It should mesh with my existing network, which is also a Netgear Nighthawk, to give us one cohesive network, but with better range and better speeds. So let's open this up. And unlike the router I opened yesterday, this is a brand new in-box product. The one I ordered yesterday was a factory reconditioned one. So let's just take the cellophane off and have a quick look. So we've got standard blurb front and back, you know, all the fancy stuff about what this bit of kit's going to do. Let's get the box open. I've never known a box be so stubborn. There we go. Let's see. So we have got Resource CD version 1.0. We have got a bundle of paperwork, which includes a quick start guide in various languages, a do more booklet telling you how to do further setup instructions, and in French and German. And we have a compliance certificate. Let's look at the device itself. So this is a bit more reserved in styling compared to the actual Nighthawk router, which is quite aggressive looking. So there is the unit. So matte black on the front, a nice sort of metallic look. You've got your LED array on the front here, so what looks like Wi-Fi strength, I guess. Bars and a let's see if you can see that. You've got one for bars and then one for, looks more like a speedo type thing. 5 gig, 2.4 gig LEDs, I guess indicating, showing they're on, they're in use. I'm guessing that's a transfer LED, USB, and don't know what that one does, but that one's definitely for the LAN ports on the back. So on the back we have the reset switch, power in, power on off switch, USB, which I'm guessing we can connect to a printer or a storage device to, 4 Ethernet ports, and a Wi-Fi protected setup button. And the rest of the back is completely clear, other than we've got a little grill here at the top for dissipating heat. That's quite nice. For a Netgear Nighthawk product, that's quite reserved really, isn't it? Wouldn't look out of place in many places. What else have we got? We have got 2 power supplies. That's interesting. So we have got the UK power supply, which is slightly smaller than the Netgear Nighthawk router one. And similarly, what I assume is going to be, so the same thing, but with a European jack on the back, which is useful. Certainly interesting that they send you both. I've never seen that before in a product. Anyway, there we have it, guys and girls. I'll be posting another video shortly on what I plan to do with this. Basically, in our flat we can't get decent coverage throughout because of the makeup of the building and the layout, so we're going to have our existing Nighthawk router upstairs, and we're going to position this downstairs in line of sight of the upstairs one, because we've got quite an open hallway, and that way we should get maximum connectivities between the 2 routers, and this one should serve all the devices down here, including some wired devices. So I hope that's useful for you guys. Please like, subscribe, dislike if you feel it, let me know, get involved. Thank you for watching.